So hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your FL Studio. So first you need to click on help in the topmost corner of your application, and you need to click on diagnostics. If you get this window, you just need to click on Reset FL Studio Settings and click on Start. But if this window doesn't show up in your FL Studios, then close this windows and go to your C drive. And after that, program files, image line, after that shared folder, and click on start. Here you need to click on this folder, FL Studio 2024, and you need to click on reset settings and click on yes. It will reset your settings of FL Studios. So with this simple steps, you can reset a FL Studio, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.